big box too, so it's actually
What's up, bro?
Yeah, that's.
got a big box too, so it's actually
What's up, bro?
Yeah, it's like 55 hertz probably.
I know you did.
Wow. It's nice. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that was the local nocturnal series. I was the points champion.
Sweet. Picture real quick. Oh, this is nice. Wow.
There we go. That's better.
This is sweet. Nice and sealed off.
You hurt me yesterday.
Sorry.
Okay.
I was sitting there at dinner last night. Because I exhaled right as you hit it, and it made my lungs shrivel up like a grape.
Have you ever sat in the, you know where they have the center console? Extreme build? You know what I'm talking about? Where the center of the console is a port, and then you gotta hop over it. You know what I'm talking about? You know the van where you have, in the front of the vehicle, there's a port. Huh. You know what I'm talking about? The extreme vehicles where the front is all glassed and the whole thing is sealed in. Yeah, that's... You've never sat in that? No, that's really bad. Whoa. That's a lot of tape. Man. That's a lot of pressure. Nice. He blew us up yesterday, but he's got another one in to play today. Record right here. Wow, that looks nice. Under the hood, okay.
Nice.
Give me a 3, 2, 1, man. So I know you got from
I got it ever since I'm there.
3, 2, 1. Alright, hold on. Let's do no mask. Okay. Come on, mask. Mask off. Woo.
That fucking man's hot.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.